In today's video, I'm going to show you how to filter your data with this function here in Google Sheets. If you want to break down some data, filter them with specific conditions, here's how to do it. So here in my example spreadsheet, I have this list of movies with the genre, director, budget, and box office revenue. Now, what I want to do is to filter the data based on the genre. So if I have a genre selected right here, I want all the results to appear right here. So let's start off with creating our dropdown, which will be the base of our filter function right here. So go ahead and select that cell where you want to create that dropdown list. Go to Data here in the menu bar and select Data Validation. On the right side, we have our data validation rules. Let's add a rule where it will create a dropdown from a range, and that range would be from this genre column right here. Now we're just going to remove the end cell reference right there to make it open-ended so that it would select the entire column starting from A2. Click on OK, and there you have it. It has automatically picked out all the unique values from that range to create this drop-down list right here. Click on Done, close that off, and if we go to our drop-down, here are our selections for our genre. Now let's go to our filter function. So we're going to place it right here in our result range. Let's start off with our equal sign, type in filter, there you have it, and here is our syntax or our formula. We have first off our range, then our conditions. So for our range, again, this is our result range. Whatever range we select for this one would be our result right here. So we want the movie title, the director, and the budget. So let's go ahead and select that right there. Movie title, director, and budget. Again, the same thing. Remove the end cell reference so that you can select the entire columns for these one, comma, so that's our range. Let's go to our first condition. Our first condition would be again based on our genre right here. Whatever genre we select right here will be the only movies to appear on this result range. So let's go ahead and select that range. We have our example right here. If this range is equal to this one or greater than to this one, that will be the first condition that this filter function should meet. So an important thing that you should know with our filter function, it only brings you the results for true statements or for true values. If it doesn't meet your criteria or your condition, it won't appear in your result range. So let's go ahead and select that genre column. There we have it. Remove the end cell reference. Equal to whatever genre we select right here on this cell. And that's why we're going to refer to that cell. Close that off, press enter. And since we haven't selected anything yet, in our drop-down list, if we go ahead and select comedy, there you have it. It has filtered all of the data from this range. Based on this range right here, if it meets the comedy, then it will only show you the comedy movies. Let's try a different movie, maybe adventure, and there you have it. Now we can add as many conditions as we want right here. So if we were to add another condition, let's say we want to filter this by genre and by budget. So if the budget of this movie is under $30 million, then it will be filtered out. So let's go ahead and select that range. Here we have our budget column. Remove the cell reference, greater than 30 million. So if the budget is under 30 million, it will be filtered out of our results. So that's 30 million. Close that off, press enter, and here we have it. We are now only seeing adventure movies that have a budget of over $30 million. And again, you can add as many conditions as you want right here. Let's add another one. Let's say we want the box office revenue. Remove the end cell reference. If the box office revenue is greater than or equal to $100 million, then it will be shown on our range. If we press enter, and here we have it. So all of these movies have had a box office revenue of equal to or over $100 million and with a budget of over $30 million belonging to the genre of adventure. So if we change this genre to action, here we have our results. And there you have it. So all of these results have met all of our conditions, where it is an action movie, it has a budget of over $30 million, and a box office revenue of over or equal to $100 million. And there you have it. That's how you can filter your data with this function here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.